Let's start.
Bruh.
What was that?
So,
Allah Akbar.
oh, okay, Chief Keef from the dollar store is gonna make jokes now.
Thank you.
Throw your bombs, bro.
They're at
Bro, what's going on?
hey. So,
I think I'll be seeing you on TikTok. If
Yeah.
it's you, I don't know.
what if it's me?
Then you gonna say something
There's nothing to say about you. You know, you look like you look fine.
like if I said don't buy my house or something, you gonna say something.
Yeah, I'm gonna say something like your head looks like the AirPod you're wearing right now, but
100%. 100%.
I'm sorry. Hey, I'm saying if.
Yo, Habibi.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Bulgaria.
Bulgaria. Do you know helicopter? Paracopter, You like that song? It's Bulgarian, right?
Yeah, it is Bulgaria.
Bro, this is the girl who has like Black Lives Matter post in her Instagram. Racist indoors and not racist outside.
Absolutely, yes. We're fucking racist as fuck.
I know this fucking dude.
大家好，跟我线上有
冰淇淋。Bruh.
If you don't speak English, right? 今年了，欢迎的哈，难道哈？
5 minutes later.
If you don't speak English, I'm finna skip it again.
Andrew that film. I love this film.
Oh shit.
You're my
He's
enemy.
about to blow us up.
What?
Motherfucker is going to blow us up.
How old are you?
Bro, the only enemy you have is your homework, bro. Go do your homework.
I'm a veteran and I'm gonna kill you.
But that's kind of sad, bro. That guy was probably his father or something.
You know what's fucked up?
America.
Macaroni and cheese.
No. Macaroni and cheese is good, bro.
You
You know what's fucked up?
what?
9/11 was fucked up. Not gonna lie. Why you laughing? Yo! 3,000 people died! And you laugh!
Bro, I'm not laughing. Alright, listen. See, it's just out of nowhere that you said 9/11.
I mean, like what? So you don't agree? I'm just saying the incident. It was fucked up.
I know. Mac and cheese is actually really good, now that I think about it.
Good.
You're my dream Discord mod, bro. Oh my god. Wakey, wakey!
Wakey, wakey. Oh my god.
No, it's him. It's him. It's him. Skip this fucking camera. Sorry guys.
Bro, how many calories is that? That's like 5.
Skip this.
You can you
We kill people like
you can you I don't think you can I don't think this guy could kill anyone, not even an ant.
What's good?
I love you, bro.
You like men?
No, I mean like, hey, come on, like in a brotherly way.
You want me to come? You want me to come? You just said come on. What do you mean by that?
Walk on.
Ooh, you want to walk on me? So you're diamond today.
Nah, hey, bro, look, hey, bro, come on. You got the cross, bro. You're supposed to be a man of God.
No, listen, God is not the only man I get on my knees for.
Listen, bro, I have to go. My mom is calling me. See you.
Goodbye. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
Saudi Arabia, y'all trash, bro. Y'all lost to Poland.
We won Argentina, and you're like, you don't care about that, but we lose to Poland. Hey, listen, I don't see Somalia in the World Cup. That's all I'm gonna say, bro.
You fucking ass. You this ass, man. It's okay. Somali won't see this the World Cup. When we finish the whole African Cup, then we go to the World Cup. It's okay.
Yo, I
Come to
love
me.
your costume. Do I rate it? I rated 9 out of 11. I rated 9 out of 11.
Okay,
9/11.
My content.
Yeah, I
is
love it.
9
I
out of
rated
11.
9 out of 11. 9 out of 11.
Baby, let's
Hey,
fucky,
hey,
fucky,
hey, fear God.
Baby, come on, let's fucky, you
No.
know, baby, please.
No,
Please,
repent to
fucky.
God.
Baby, Allah not watching us, baby.
No, Allah is always watching. Shut up! Shut up! Allah is always watching.
100%.
Is that it?
Is that what?
Dreams didn't make us kings.
Guys, I don't get it. Like,
Is that it? Oh,
Damn it.
Hey, bro. Who is that? Who said that? Who said that?
That was him.
These bitches love so. Oh, no.
Hey, why you going for word, though?
What's good in the hoodie, brother?
Brother.
Hey, brother.
For free? Really? For free? For free?
Yep.
For free?
I won't even charge you, bro. This one's free for you, brother.
Just for me, right? Free discount.
Just for you, man. Hey, homie. From one homie to another homie.
Let me block the camera so they don't see what happens.
Alright, bro.
Repent to God now. Don't show your feet. Don't show your feet. Repent to God.
Hey, man. How you doing today?
Hey, you like this flag over there?
That's where I'm from.
You're from Hot Moms?
I love hot moms.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Ya
Let's not
Allah.
take it too far.
Tell your mom that.
Dan.
Nice.
Bro, repent to God. What is this?
I know.
God damn. Man, hold on. I'm sorry. I'm not really sorry, but please don't do anything to the Twin Towers again, bro.
Oh, wow, bro. Come
Hit me with
on.
an American joke. Now hit me with an American joke.
I don't know, bro. What? Don't shoot the school up? I don't know. Okay, what? Yo, why you laughing?
We could get car accident. We gotta get the eye.
He lost, boss.
What the hell? What's up?
Hello, how are you?
What the hell? No, I'm just kidding. What's up? What's up?
What's up? I'm a dude. Just to let you know, I'm a dude.
I'm a dude. It's okay.
Dude,
Yeah,
this-
some people think I'm a woman. I'm not a woman.
You're acting
I
like one.
know you people.
You kill my people?
Yes,
Well, come on.
Boom,
bro.
boom.
You look like the song I fell in love with an emo girl.
Excuse me, Mexican sir.
Me, Mexican?
Call him Mr. Bomb Squad. Mr. Bomb Squad.
Oh, yeah, that's more accurate, you know.
Hey, this man isn't racist, so can you do him a favor?
I can do your mom a favor if you want.
Okay, let's I guess you're getting herpes then.
Hi.
Yo, what's up?
You come from American?
No, Middle East.
Okay, cool.
Where you from?
I'm come from China.
Ni hao ma.
Oh, 你好. You can speak Chinese?
I know Bing Chilling
Yeah, how much?
and Ni hao. That's all, bro. I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
John Cena, Bing Chilling. Yeah.
Yes, it's ice cream in Chinese. Do you like eat ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
You're so cute. So how old are you?
Okay, listen, bro. Let's keep that ice cream, bro. Let's keep that ice cream.
Dan,
Let's just keep it
Dan.
at Bing Chilling for now, bro. Let's keep it at Bing Chilling. Let's slow things. Okay, so, bro, I gotta go. See you. Bye bye.
The Asians are really sweet.
Is that BTS behind you?
Yeah, that's BTS behind.
Oh my god, they're my favorite!
Same.
BTS helped me in my life. When I was a kid, I was literally paralyzed on a wheelchair, and listening to their songs helped me get through. Whenever their songs came on the radio, I would just get up from my wheelchair and turn it off. Like, I'm not in the wheelchair. Look, I can stand now! Thank you, BTS!
That's amazing. Yeah, thank you, BTS.
Anyone ever tell you this? You're the f***ing bomb, man.
Yeah.
Dude, you look like an awesome plane pilot.
My uncle was the greatest one, bro. Why you laughing though? He was.
What do you do?
He flew planes.
Did he fly a plane in like September ever?
Did he land them?
It was his most accomplished day, I guess. that was his retirement day.
So,
Really have to master the craft, huh?
Yeah, he did master the ground.
The aircraft?
well, like, my eyes thought I was laughing. Yo,
You want to see something, brother? Look.
Hey, listen. Hey, what? Oof.
That's not haram. We don't do haram over here, brother. Don't
Good
beat me
job.
up.
Don't do
Never.
haram.
Oh my god, you're the guy from the thing. No, wait, put me on YouTube. Put me on YouTube.
华新校、新校、华新校、冰淇淋。
啊？早上他走过，现在我有冰淇淋。
Yeah!
She knows.
Yo, she knows how to do it better. Whoa.
I ate that up, right? Yeah.
你好。
你好吗？
Yo! Yo! You're the best. I'm putting this on YouTube.
Thank you, thank you.
Slap his ass.
Come on, girl is here. Calm down. Grandpa, what's up?
I hear you, buddy.
I love you, Grandpa.
This is Grandpa from America. You from what? United States?
Yeah, I'm from the Middle East.
You like Americans or not?
Hey, I like some Americans. I hate some Americans. You know, they're just like old people. There's good people and there's assholes.
Oh yeah.
Are you the good type or the asshole?
I'm a good type. I'm a hillbilly. I live in the country.
Shit. Do you know this song? Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, my mama. Country.
How you know?
I'm a country boy.
Yo, I'm a fan. Okay? I follow you.
You're the best.
My mom likes you. My mom likes you.
Your mom likes me?
She likes your YouTube channel.
What about me though? I supposed to screw my YouTube channel. Does she like me?
Yeah.
Let's go!
She doesn't watch it around my
Oh! Oh!
He's lying. He's lying.
Bro, I told you guys, I'm from I Love Hot Moms country. Are you subscribed though? Are you subscribed? With the bell on?
Everyone, do the same, please. Subscribe to my channel. Then you can go to his channel.
Go! How many likes should this video get?
I'm telling you, this likes will get a million likes. I mean, a million likes, bro.
A million likes for this kid and his mom.
Subscribe and hit that noti button, bro.
Noti button?
Naked.
Booty naked, who?
Why did she run away? Thanks for watching and goodbye.